Some mobiles put the names of the two phones on the website, suggesting that the Galaxy A90 5G and Galaxy A91 are real. We have heard a lot about the Galaxy A90 5G already, but the A91 is still a mystery and is not expected to launch until later next year. Both the phones will reportedly come with fast charging support, but it's the Galaxy A91 that may support up to 45-watt super fast charging like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The website reveals a list of compatible phones that supports 45-watt super fast charging. It reads Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Note 10 Plus 5G, A91 and higher, which confirms that Samsung will be bringing 45-watt super fast charging support to high-end Galaxy phones, at least for now. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A90 5G, which is expected to launch later this year, will support 25-watt fast charging. The Galaxy A91 will be the premium, most Galaxy A series phone next year. It was revealed a few weeks ago that Samsung will continue the double-digit naming scheme for its Galaxy A series lineup in 2020. This means you can expect to see Galaxy A phones next year to be called the Galaxy A11, A21, A31, A41 and so on until A91. It has also been tipped that next year's Galaxy A series phones will pack major upgrades to the camera. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy A90 5G later this year. The smartphone will offer flagship specs that include a Snapdragon 855 chipset, triple rear cameras with tilt OIS and a water drop AMOLED display, among other things. The Galaxy A90 is tipped to be one of the more affordable 5G smartphones in the market. Samsung has been introducing new technologies to the Galaxy A lineup. The Galaxy A80, for example, is the first Samsung phone to offer a noseless new infinity display and rotating camera design. The Galaxy A91 will not be the first Samsung phone to come with 45-watt super fast charging support, but it will be more affordable than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus.